Hey, have you always wanted to paint your toys? Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel if you love our crafts. Mask. Add nail polish to a bowl of water. Don't forget the glitter! Swirl your design with a toothpick. Gently place the mask in the water. Wow, what a cute mask! Perfect for birthday parties. Barbie gloves. Barbie wants gloves for a party? Don't worry. Swirl your nail polish design with a toothpick. And place Barbie's arms in the water. Voila! Chic gloves. This could be in the Barbie Fashion Week. Barbie handbag. OMG! She forgot her designer handbag at home. No worries, Barbie. We're going to add our Hydro Dip touch to one of her old handbags. Just place her old bag in the polish. And voila! Barbie is all set for her Fashion Week party. Barbie headphones. Barbie needs headphones while she's DJing at the Barbie Fashion Week in LA. Let's make her a really nice pair of headphones which will wow the whole crowd. Just place her headphones in the Hydro Dip and wow! Everyone is going to dance all afternoon. But something's missing. She needs sunglasses. Design your Hydro Dip mixture. Swirl it with a toothpick and choose your favorite spot on the design. Those sunglasses are so trippy. She's going to be the star of the show. Hydro Dip dinosaurs. We all need decorations for this party. Get some toy dinosaurs and add them to your Hydro Dip mixture. These decorations are truly from a Fashion Week dino theme. Barbie shoes. Ready to spruce up your favorite pair of shoes, Barbie? All you need is a bowl of water and some nail polish to put a funky spin on these plain shoes. Just drizzle the nail polish colors into the bowl in a cool design. Move the paint around with a toothpick to give it a swirled look. Using a pair of tweezers, dip Barbie's shoes into the nail polish. It will stick to the shoe as you pull it up and out of the water. When they're dry, Barbie will have the coolest shoes in town. She's going to be the life of the party. Very stylish, Barbie. Leggings. If you want to add a little flair to Barbie's outfit with some colorful leggings, give this a try. Use the same method as before and drizzle nail polish into a bowl of water. Use your favorite colors to match Barbie's outfit. The trick is to create a layered effect with the nail polish. Swirl it around with a toothpick. Then simply dip Barbie's leg into the Hydro Dip. Let it dry and dress Barbie up to feature those one-of-a-kind leggings. These are so trippy. Melted crayons. Want to make some awesome art with melted crayons? Here's how to do it. First, hot glue your paperless crayons in a row at the edge of your canvas. Choose any colors you like. We've decided to go for a rainbow look. Glue the crayons all the way across the canvas. Add a design that you want to feature on the canvas. We chose the Batman symbol, but you can print anything you like. Glue it onto the canvas. Then tape a piece of paper over the design to keep the crayon from dripping onto it. Hold the canvas up and use a hairdryer to melt the crayon so that the colors drip down onto the canvas like this. When you're done, the canvas will have a color explosion all the way down to the bottom. Carefully pull the paper away, and voila! You've got a unique piece of DIY art for your wall. Acrylic marble. Get your acrylic paints ready because we're going to make some pretty amazing acrylic marble art. You'll need a cup of water and some shower gel. Mix the gel into the water, stir, and distribute amongst 4 smaller containers. Pour your acrylic paint into the container. Do a different color for each one and stir with a stick. Cut the bottom off a plastic water bottle and place it on the canvas. Now combine the paint colors in a large container, drizzling the paint to make a cool design. Pour the paint over the bottle base. Isn't it trippy? Pick up the canvas and tilt it to move the paint around and cover the whole area. When you're finished, you'll have an acrylic marble art piece to add a pop of color in any room. My Little Pony. Let's add some color to this little pony. Sure, she is cute as she is, but we can make her even cuter. You know the drill. Drizzle nail polish into a bowl of water to make your Hydro Dip. Choose whatever colors you like, but be sure to add at least 4 or 5 different colors. Swirl together with a toothpick. Hold Pony's mare and tail up and slowly dip her into the mixture, being careful not to dip in her hair. Check out that colorful pony. Pencil. Let's see what happens to this pencil. Use the same Hydro Dip you made earlier and dip a few pencils in. Once they are dry, you'll have the coolest pencils at school. And they still work like normal pencils.
Hey, do you want to be a DIY mastermind? Well, you are in the right place. Welcome to the Crafty Hackers. We are your one-stop shop for all things DIY. Looking for ways to update clothing, decorate your space, make cool snacks, and more? Then have we got a lot in store for you. We bring you the best, unique content with the latest trends daily. So, hit that subscribe button and join us on this wild ride.